Hey everyone, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to fix error LS-0009 in Epic Games. If it's related to a game, you can try launching it as an administrator or verifying the game files. To do this, go to the library, click the three dots, click Manage, then click Verify Files. If that doesn't help, close Epic Games completely and type in the Run dialog to execute it. Open it up. Type %local data %here, click OK. Now look for Epic Games, go into the launcher, go into saved and delete all the cache and web cache folders. Right click to delete, close it. If that doesn't help, open my computer, C drive, program data. Look for Epic here. Open it up, open the launcher or wait for it. Yes, launcher data. And here are the manifests folders. Delete them completely and try logging into Epic Games. If that doesn't help, try reinstalling either the game or the launcher and try launching as an administrator. That's it. You can also try restarting your computer. That's all. This is Weller. See you everyone.